Agnisar Kriya. What is Agnisar Kriya? Look at the picture carefully. Agni means fire and Sara means wash. So it literally means to wash the fire chakra or Manipur chakra located at the navel center. The exercise also stimulates the immune system, increases the power of digestion and increases the heat in the body. So it helps in burning of toxins. Steps: sit in Padmasana or Vrajasana. Breathe out, that is, exhale. Hold your breath. Stomach to be moved forward, backward, number of time till you can hold. Breathe. Breathe in. Repeat 3 times. Let's start. Sit in Padmasana. Take Dhyan Mudra position. Close your eyes and breathe normally. Feel your breathe in and breathe out. Focus on breathing only. Before starting the pranayam, we should breathe normally. Make your body to get ready for doing the pranayam. How to do? Look at the picture carefully. You have to move your stomach in like this. Now take Dhyan Mudra and sit in Padmasana. Index finger and thumb touching each other and keep your palms open. Breathe normally. Before starting the pranayam, breathe normally and focus on your breathing. Breathe out, hold your breath. Stomach to be moved forward and backward till you can hold your breath. Look at the video carefully. You have to move your stomach forward and backward. Now breathe in and repeat the process. Move your stomach. Look at the video carefully and try to move your stomach forward and backward. Repeat the process. Move your stomach till you can hold your breath, like 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Do the pranayam. Practice makes you perfect. Practice increases your time also for holding the breath. Breathe out, hold breath and move your stomach forward and backward, inward and outward. Now breathe in and relax. Start the pranayam once again. Sit straight. Breathe normally. Relax your body. Take the positivity inside your body. Feel the positive vibes in your surroundings. Breathe out, hold your breath and move the stomach inward and outward till you can hold your breath. After this, breathe in and relax. Once again, start the process. Look at the video and follow the steps. One more cycle. Hold your breath. Breathe out and stomach to be moved inward and outward. Slowly breathe in and relax. Again breathe out, hold breath and move the stomach inward and outward till you can hold your breath. Now breathe in and relax. Breathe normally for some time. For ending the session, rub your palms and put them on your face. Uses: Agnisar Kriya helps to increase the blood flow within the body. Agnisar basically serves an inner activity in which the digestive and abdominal muscles get churned out. This process helps to massage the internal organs, especially the belly. Thank you.